says, "Today, everybody, we're going to be putting a transcooler in." Oh, shut up. Alright, so pull your clips out. Make sure you get all your clips. Just clip down there. There's one there. There's a clip there. One there, and then the rest are here and there. And just take your time because these things are really flimsy. And then you just take it and throw it over here. No.
As hard as you can.
Yeah, there you go. See? Camden. Alright, so this looks like a good spot, right? So this is your transcooler. It will help the 4L60Es, which do not like heat. So I might put this somewhere in here. I prefer to get in the front. It'd be kind of nice to do in the front. I don't know if we could get behind here. Somewhere like that, maybe. Ooh, I like that. What do you think, guys? Think like that? Let's see. See, the thing is that I don't want to... make sure you get your lines hooked up. So I think that's where we're going to put it. We're going to put it right here. That way, if the wind's hitting it, it stays nice and cool. All right. We'll go with there, I think. And then the kit comes with all that stuff. So you got your bag with the goodies. And get this line. I think I might need more lines, so we'll find out here in a minute. Might not. Might be good, so. Alright. So you get your lines. I use the WD-40 for lube, whatever you want. Go here. Ah. Get them up there nice. Like that. Get this side all done, and then get it in there and nice and tight. Alright. Let's fish it down. Oh, I'm in the wrong spot. Push it all down like that. So get it in. I didn't take this one through, did I? There we go. Like that. And then, I have one. Shit. Here, hold that. Okay, still roll? Mm-hmm. So because of these things, I believe that these will go on like this. Let's put it like this. Hold on. Yeah. It's stuck. Stuck, everybody! Help! Oh, there it goes. Mine's going sideways. These little guys right here. Oop. I think the key is not to drop.
Right spot?
Yeah.
Alright, make sure I'm holding it right.
that. Yeah. Did y'all think of that? It's a good spot. Should catch the wind real nice. Keep the truck nice and cool. Just keep your lines like that. Don't drag it on the ground. No, I was joking. Alright. I'm just gonna put a bunch on here because do a lot of off-roading. No one's bouncing around. Snippy, snippy. That's pretty good. Everybody's happy? Okay. Now, the hard part.
Now we're gonna be like Fonzie. What's Fonzie like?
Fonzie's cool.
Cool, baby.
Alright. So now the hard part. Now we gotta pull lines out of here. You're gonna lose a lot of fluid. Don't take your whole the whole thing out. You gotta just pull this damn guy out right here. And we're just pulling the line out. We're not pulling the whole thing, because you pull the whole thing out, you're gonna lose all your coolant. So we're just gonna pull this and this one back, and then we're gonna cut and slide these on and tighten them up where they won't leak. And then we're gonna be like Fonzie. We're gonna be cool. Well, at least the training book. Okay. Okay. It's a good. I hate these things. Such a pain in the ass. See? Get your pick. Get these from Harbor Freight. You get these picks, and you'll use them for the rest of your life because they're probably the best thing ever. Okay, and then we get this side. Like I said one more time, do not take the whole bolt off. We're just taking the, cause you see this bolt back here. Alright. But yeah, so this, you're not taking it, you're just taking the line out. So if you take that clip that I just showed you, then you take the line out. This one too. So all the thing we're taking out, we're not pulling the whole thing out. So get ready for a mess. This stuff is gonna leak. Okay, we'll just do one at a time, and then we'll go where we need it. I think we need to go. Get that guy on there. I think we're just gonna go with. I think.
Rag.
Oops. It's all about patience, everybody. Patience.
You just want to make sure you got that hose far enough on that line so you don't have any leaks or nothing like that.
Yeah. Should be good, I think.
Off to the next side.
Yeah, the flare's about the same, so kind of normal. So then you just find where do I want this one. Right there. It's probably using the right tool, so don't get on my ass about it. It's one of those moments where you just reach and grab whatever you can. Okay. Oh, yeah, I want to. What's up, everybody? All right, got rid of the hot temps. We're staying about 15 degrees cooler, so that's a good thing. Usually we get to town where we're about like 190, and we're at 173 right now. So take a look at this. I don't know if you can see that, but those are pretty good temps, and we're fully loaded down. Not a big trailer. All right. Like and subscribe, everybody. Thanks for watching.